Adam with Tribe-16 here. Let's talk about JK overhead MOLLE panels. This MOLLE panel has the ability to mount your radio up top, above, overhead. It could be a CB radio, GMRS, VHF, UHF radio. It has slots for the mount. It even has on the side here for the little mic hook. You can go ahead and, it's got provisions to put the mic. Everything's all set up for you. We have the early model 07 to 08, and then we also have from there on the front mounts built a little bit different, but we have those two options. Super simple, just sits right on top of the rear roll cage, a couple fasteners in the rear, a couple fasteners in the front, and you're good to go. Super heavy duty. Also, you can mount more than one radio. If you want to have one facing forward for one frequency and you want to do a different type radio, you can mount one in the rear also. You want to do a race radio in the front, you can do a GMRS in the rear or CB, vice versa. Plenty of options, plenty of space.